What's up, YouTube? Man, I will show my face right now, but as you see, I'm looking kind of tired right now. You know what I'm saying? But I just want to touch ground on a few things. It's like, you know, it's like I'm the type of person that just really don't care about what people think about me. And I just think my brothers and sisters out there, man, we just need to stop worrying about what people think about us. Because, I mean, if you know who you is, man, I mean, who really cares? You know what I mean? Like, I'm just, I'm just living my life, man. Life is so beautiful. I mean, I'm living my life like a king. I'm single. I live by myself. I love sisters. I love beautiful black women. Damn, just even thinking about it. Sorry, I got lost in the moment for a minute. But yeah, just being intelligent, being strong is the key. And I don't even watch the news or whatever because half the things they be saying on TV, you just can't believe it, man. You know what I mean? It's just a whole big old mind game. You know, if you start believing in that stuff, man, you'll start living like that. I mean, if you just stop caring about what people think about you, man, who cares, man? I mean, so much stuff I hear, we ain't dating each other, we don't like each other. That's why we on videos talking about each other. Look at, man, I don't even worry about that. Don't even pay no attention to any worth it. Just do your thing and do what your mama and your parents and your daddy taught you how to live and do what you're supposed to do in life and stay strong, you know what I'm saying? And don't hate nobody, you know what I'm saying? Don't hate nobody because of their race or whatever, and just be the kings that we are, because we know who we is, and that's all that matters. That's all that makes a difference. You know what I mean? And what the world think don't mean nothing, But I know a lot of brothers and sisters out here that's dating each other, got families and jobs, and just doing it big, man. I mean, man, I'm just saying, just don't believe the hype. Get your mind out the clouds. Stop being brainwashed and worrying about what people think about you. And man, don't even worry about that, man. Just that ain't nothing. Because if you strong and intelligent and you doing what you supposed to do and you handling yourself and you love people and you don't get caught up in that poison out there, you gonna make it. You gonna be all right. But if anything, it's time to show the world that we some intelligent, smart people. Believe that.